Hi, beautiful ones. Welcome back once again. I welcome you all to my corner today. Happy Sunday, and how are you all doing? My name is Ketch, a sweet mother living in my country. So, in today's recipe, I'll be showing you in this video how to make this amazing recipe. So sit back, relax, and watch so you learn a new recipe. Let's begin. So, in a dry pan, we are going to add two pieces of meat. Go in with our red chili pepper and also the green chili pepper. We're going to add our garlics and our onions. All these are ingredients for making a very sweet mouth-watering Bengali recipe. This is Bengali recipe with just two pieces of meat. So if you want to learn, don't go anywhere. Like and continue watching. You can share this video, save it somewhere to watch it later if you don't have time. So you're going to stir everything together, allow the heat to touch and penetrate in everything you have just added. Then set it aside. Now you're going to get the beef, wash and heat already. You're going to cut it so thin. Cut them very well because we need this to become very tender as we are going on in this recipe. Cut the meat in pieces in a very little chunks, just the way you are seeing me doing it. Very, very tiny chunks. That is the way you are going to cut it. Don't let anyone be bold. The tiny chunks I mean in the states which if you are using blender, it will grind it. But we don't want it to be so grinded. Just little chunks. Then we're going to add back to our pan. And we are also going to add back our red chili pepper as well as the green chili pepper. Add our garlics back and the onions. Everything is together before adding our cumin powder. You add our cumin powder, then add salt. So you top up with your mustard oil. Your mustard oil comes first. In here, I also added turmeric powder. I did not film it. I was looking for the clip, but it not. So you add your turmeric powder here before mixing generally. So make sure you add your turmeric powder. Mix it together very well. Allow it to heat for some time before adding your ginger paste. So when you allow it to heat for some time, you come back and add your ginger paste. Stir them very well. Then you cover for some minutes. This process is for it to simmer and allow all the ingredients to penetrate inside everything in this pan. So once you cover, you allow them. Now we are going to come back and add a little water. Adding this little water to this base is to let it cook to a tender state, especially the beef. Boil it till the water is almost dry before setting it aside. Now you're going to transfer to a washed and clean bowl before using your mortar or pestle to crush and mash them thoroughly, like crushing them very well in a state that it will be finely grinded. Then after doing all that, with your washed clean hands, you are going to mold this Bengali. At this point, your Bengali is ready. You're going to mold them in a bowl, set them aside, repeat the same process till you are done. Look at our Bengali. We are going to enjoy it with white rice. So it is time to serve and enjoy. I spared my own with white rice. Then top it up with this lemon. Guys, this was so delicious, so amazing. Like, this recipe is wow, mind blowing recipe. I enjoyed and finished my meal. Acha, are you going to be trying this recipe? Because this recipe, you can't miss it. Everyone loves it. Both your kids, they will love it. So let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe. And don't forget to share this video. Make sure you like and comment. Ask any question you want to ask in the comment section. I'll be here to answer you. More recipes are coming. See you in my next one. Remember, share, like, and comment. Thank you very much for coming to my corner. I love you all. Bye.